Do you want to install WordPress on your localhost? Excellent. In this video, we share an application that allows you to install WordPress on your localhost with a few clicks. It's one of the easiest ways to install WordPress, and you don't need any specific technical knowledge to install WordPress on your localhost. So let's get started. First thing, you need to search for localwp on Google, or you can simply visit localwp.com. On this website, you need to download Localwp application by simply clicking on the download for free button and then select which platform you want to install localhost. After entering your name, email, click on the Get It Now button to download Localwp application. After installing this application, it's kind of look like this. Click on the Create a New Site button. Then select the default option and click on the Continue button. Now enter your localhost site name and click on Continue button. After that, you have to choose your localhost server environment like PHP version, web server type, MySQL version, etc. After selecting everything, click on the Continue button. Now enter your WordPress username, password and click on the Add Site button. It will take 2 minutes to complete installing WordPress on your localhost. After completing steps, to open your WordPress site, click on the Open Site option. That's it. Congratulations, you have successfully installed WordPress on your localhost. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.